So in this chapter, trains, poles and platforms. So we can expect some questions in any competitive exams based on the trains which are moving in the opposite direction or same direction. So find the distance or speed. So those type we have so many questions. So four different concepts with the shortcut methods I'm going to explain in this chapter. Let us see here. So you can expect the similar problems. So when the numbers are changed, the formula is same. You can apply it. You need to memorize few shortcut methods to the do calculations very fast. Instead of taking lengthy or traditional method, let us go for the short method. First one, a train runs non-stop from New York to Boston at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. So non-stop from New York to this Boston at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. In its second journey, it stops at various places in between and covers the same distance at the average speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Non-stop 100 kilometers per hour by taking some stops with the speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Find out the total halt time of the train. So how much time it stops in between by return journey. So instead of taking lengthy this one, just I'll give the short method directly. Halt time to find out how much time it stops in between. So difference between the speeds. This come under numerator. So non-stop speed, non-stop train. So speed you should take minus and speed with stops. This on the numerator place because non-stop speed is more. So this is the first number minus the speed with stops. Divide by again non-stop speed. Non-stop speed you can take. Just you can apply, you'll get the halt time. Direct problem. So by taking halts and this difference they are giving, they find out the total halt time. So this is 100. Remember units must be same for all the speeds. One is 100 minus 80 by again 100. 100 minus 80. So 20 by 100. That is 0, 0 cancel. 1, 2 times 1, 5. So 1 by 5. This is in hours. Time should be in hours because speed is in kilometers per hour. 1 by 5 hours. 1 by 5 into 60. So 12 minutes. 12 minutes is the speed. Still, if you want other way, just you can see the difference. 108, so 20% is reduced because of it's given 100. This is 80. 20% is reduced. So 20% of the total 1 hour is nothing but 12 minutes. That's also you can use the method. Because I was giving the first one is 180. That's why the 20% is difference. Or else you can use this halt time formula directly. And one more type question. Two trains of length 110 meters and 130 meters run daily from Los Angeles to Las Vegas between two places. Two trains length are different. So one is 110, 130. Now when running in the same direction, the faster train passes the slower train in 30 seconds. Same direction. When it is in the same direction, it passes the 30 seconds. While running in opposite direction. In opposite direction, the faster train passes the slower train by in 15 seconds. Total 4 units. Find the speed of the faster train as well as the slower train. So traditional method will take very lengthy. To find out the direct, when they're asking, distance is given. Means length of the two trains are given and opposite direction and same direction, the time difference, how much time it will pass or it will cross is given. So if you want to find out the speed of the first train, that means which is ultimately faster train only cross, no? Based on that, and speed of the first train. First train if you want. So on the same direction we supposed to do addition. Opposite direction it is minus. So speed of the first train. Average length of the two trains. Formula is average length of two trains into, then this is the addition, no? So 1 by same direction time plus 1 by opposite direction time plus 1 by So I'm taking T1 and T2. So T1 is the same direction, T2 is the opposite direction. So T1 is in time in same direction, T2 is in opposite direction. Okay, remember that. Then for this average length of the two trains, one average length. So one is 110 and one is 130. So 110 plus 130 divided by 2. This is the average and 1 by T1 and T2. So one is 30. So here is 30 seconds and opposite direction to cross in 15 seconds plus 1 by 15. If we simplify, this is the speed of the faster train. Okay, just calculate 110 plus 130, 240 by 2, 120 into, if you do LCM of this, that is denominator 1 plus 2, so 3 by 30 times 1, 10, 0, 0 cancel, 12. Okay, 12 meters per second. Same one, if you want the speed of the second one, speed of the second train, which is slower. Same formula, instead of plus minus we should take. Same average length of the two trains, but minus here. That is, I am writing directly 110 plus 130 by 2 in the bracket 1 by 30 minus 1 by 15. Okay, here is the difference. Then you can calculate same 120 into 30 is the denominator, 1 minus. So you'll get minus 1 here. So 0, 0, 3 ones are 3, 4. You should not take negative because speed is always non-negative. Whatever you get negative also take it as positive. There's only difference. So 4 meters per second. Plus and minus. Even if the answer is negative, you should take the positive. So you get 1 minus 2, no? So minus 1. So this is the straight and two more sums I'll explain. Here is the one. Next one here, third one. John is walking at the speed of 0.5 meter per second and Joseph is walking few miles ahead at the speed of 1 meter per second. Two persons walking speed it is. A train moving in the same direction overtake them in 10 seconds and 12 seconds respectively. Find the length of the train because one person is ahead. 0.51. Okay, these are the speeds and one train in the same direction overtake them in 10 and 12. Same direction. 10 and 12 time difference. So to find out the length of the train, direct question, if you want train length, so if you want to find out the train's length, difference in speed of the two men. So formula I'll write. So difference in speed of two persons, no? So two men into then the time here. So overtake times. So time 1 into time 2, those two persons times overtaking time, divided by difference. So T1 minus T2. Two times are there. So difference in speed of the two men. Then speed is 0.5 and 1, no? So difference that. That means take the bigger number 1 minus 0.5 into the time. One is 12, one is 10 seconds. So 12 into 10 divided by again 12 minus 10. Time difference. You can calculate, you get the answer. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5 into 120 by 2. 0.5 into 120. 60. What is cancel this? 0.5 into 60 is 30. Okay, 30 meters. 30 meters is the train's length. Just remember this. To do calculations faster, you need small techniques, tricks you require to remember and calculate. See one more problem. An express train passes a railway platform which is 50 meters long in 30 seconds. Platform length is 50 meters long in 30 seconds and it passes the signal post in 20 seconds. What is the length of the railway platform? So I'll give you directly. This type also not in traditional. If you want to find out the length of train, what is the length of the railway platform they asked. So in this, so length of the platform is length of the pole and this train length, no? Express train passes a railway platform which is 50 meters long. Okay, so what is the length of the railway platform? This small question is wrong. So length of the train it is actually. So length of the train. So platform length is given. So length of the train, that is equals to platform length into pole passing time. Platform length into the pole passing time divided by difference in the time to cross the platform and pole. So time difference in time, both the time difference. You just you can take. So length is one is 50 and 20 time. Platform length is 50, time is 20 seconds, and difference in time 30 minus 20. 30 seconds it is, and signal post is 20 seconds. You just calculate, you get the length of the train. So 1000 divided by 10, it is 100. So 100 meters. Okay. So these are the short technique or shortcut tricks you can apply to do the similar problems in anything in from trains, poles and platforms.